Good morning, all of the students of class 9 and 10. Welcome from KK Pulahat High School, Moralganj, Bagerhat. Now I am introducing myself. I am Riyad Hussain Talukdar, Assistant Teacher in English, KK Pulahat High School, Moralganj, Bagerhat. Today we are discussing about Unit 4, question number 4. Subject rules on right form of verbs. If any student correct this verb, he or she have to know what is the right form of verbs. There are many rules in right form of verb. Here we mention some rules. What is very significant or important for your class or solution question number 4. Rule on if any sentence has can, could, may, might, shall, should, will, would, need, must, dare, let, am to, is to, are to, was to, were to, have to, has to, had to, would rather, would better, had rather, had better, do not, does not, did not, cannot but, could not but, to. If any word has any sentence, there is no change of verb. There stand only base form of these verbs. Can, would, may, might, shall, should, will, would, did, must, dare, let, am to, is to, are to, was to, were to, have to, has to, had to, would rather, would better, had rather, had better, do not, does not, did not, cannot but, could not but, to. There is no change of verb if any word has in this sentence. For example, I would rather die than beg. I would rather. Behind the verb of die, behind would rather So these verb die, do not change and stand only base form. You must know the previous class or previous subjects, class 6, 7, 8, what is base form of verb. You know, if any verb do not change its form, such as die. If you die, this past form died, but if there is no change of die or any kind of verb, that is called base form. Example 2. I cannot but laugh. Behind cannot but, so laugh is not changed, it is base form. It is base form. It is not beyond, that's V2, V3, but it is base form. That is the abbreviation of BS. It is the base form of this verb. Next, rule 2. When any sentence has no indicating type and this sentence has generally usually, often, sometimes, occasionally, regularly, daily, then the verb is to be on, means verb present form of this verb. Be on means present form of this verb. For example, the boy sometimes comes here. Or the boy, the girl often disturbs the class. Comes, that is beyond, present form of verb, disturbs, present form of verb. Remain well. Till then, Allah Hafiz. All of my affectionate students, Allah Hafiz.